I get it to lock? Please tell me I can get it to lock. Ah, great. I think I completely lost it. Come on, don't give up on me now. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me now. Dang it! Oh. Oh, good lord. Stop. Stop me.
Monthly test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters in our area are testing the equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as flooding, high winds, or a chemical spill, official messages would have followed this tone. This station serves the Sacramento Valley and Sierra Nevada Foothill County.
They relayed
this
earlier.
concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Building a better Sacramento. News 93.1 KFDK.
Oh, nice job. You failed right at the end, Sacramento. Nice job. Nice job. Nice job. I'm very proud of you. Shoot. FM. Let's see if I can get a... Let's see if I can get a... 106.1.
And
most likely
newspapers like Vanity Fair, People, Time, and more. And with new local news, get the...
I'm gonna turn this down that way I don't get sued for copyright. Sorry about that. I'm just typing to some friends. Anyways, so.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Safeway. News: Safeway, Chevron, and Texaco are offering.
Yeah, I'm sure they are. Crap. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like 106.1 is relayed, so I'll
this week and earn up to $1 per gallon
come
in
back
gas rewards.
once
This
this is
Stephanie
relayed.
from Safeway.